Hi scholars, so today we're completing the second lesson of our fraction module. So let's get started with the learning intention. Thoughtful mathematicians write fractions in unit and fraction form. So we'll review our vocabulary. A fraction is a part of a whole. The denominator is the bottom number, and it tells how many equal parts are in the whole. The numerator is the top number, and it tells how many equal parts are described in that specific fraction, or how many of the whole are being used. 1/3 in this example. A unit fraction is a fraction that has 1 as a numerator. A unit fraction names one equal part of a whole, and equal parts are parts of an object that have been divided equally. The most important part of a fraction, that it is equal parts. So you're going to have a table like this that you're going to have to fill out, and I'm going to show you how to do so. So here I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts. I'm going to write that in, total number of parts. Total number of parts, total number of equal parts shaded. I see 1 is shaded. So in unit form, I would write 1, 10. In fraction form, I would write 1, 10 with the numerator and denominator. So let's try this next one. Let's do it together. How many total parts do you see? 5 equal parts. And how many parts are shaded? 1. And what would we call this in unit form? Hopefully you said 1/5. That's what we call fractions out of 5. And how would we write this fraction in fraction form? 1/5. So try this last one. You can pause now and then press play to check your answers. All right, so if you haven't already, please pause now, press play when you're ready. So we have 4 parts. 1 is shaded. That is called 1/4. And we write that as 1/4. 1/4. So before we wrap up, I want you to think about this. I know we don't have anyone to turn and talk, but we can discuss this in our Zoom call as well. This figure has been divided into 6 parts. Are they considered 6? Why do you think? Do you think there are 6? If not, explain why. And if you do, then explain why. So go ahead and pause now and be ready to share out or to defend your answer. I'm going to explain now though. So they aren't 6, and the reason is, and I've been explaining equal parts, is because the parts are not equal. This square is smaller than this one is smaller than both of them. So they're not equal parts. So it's not 6, because even though there are 6 parts, they're not equal parts. So it would just be parts of a whole, but they wouldn't be fractions. Okay? That's the end of our lesson. So in today's problem set, you'll have a chart like this that you're going to be filling out to identify the unit fraction, both in unit form and fraction form. Thank you so much, guys.